Homo heidelbergensis existed in the Middle Pleistocene. Compared to Homo ergaster and Homo erectus, Middle Pleistocene hominins had a more human-like face. In Heidelbergensis, the nasal opening is set completely vertically in the skull. The Heidelbergensis skull shows a short and backward-sloping forehead like earlier hominins. However, unlike earlier hominins, they had a relatively flat face.
Over time, the slope of the forehead became higher and more vertical to accommodate a larger cranium. Earlier hominins such as Australopithecus afarensis, with much smaller craniums, show a backward sloping forehead more similar to chimpanzees. This transitions into a higher and vertical forehead for the likes of Homo habilis and becomes higher and vertical still for Homo neanderthalensis.
Their brow ridge is very well defined. There is a large cranium. Its foramen magnum is also much more centralized, like those found in Homo ergaster, erectus, and neanderthalensis.
This made it easier to balance the mass of the skull over the spine. Earlier hominins had placement of their foramen magnum closer to the back of their skull, such as Ardipithecus ramidus, but later hominins showed a shift of this foramen magnum closer to the center of their skulls.
Homo heidelbergensis were also one of the first species to build shelters out of wood and rock. They also had access to more sophisticated tools like wooden spears.
Brain size is believed to have initially increased in response to a high energy and nutrient-rich diet, followed by cultural evolution, including toolmaking, use of fire, language development, and hunting, that then accelerated its expansion.
The jaw of Heidelbergensis was strongly built. The flat face of Heidelbergensis also meant that they did not have prominent prognathic teeth like earlier hominins.
Prognathism became reduced over time as the jaws became lighter and smaller. Earlier hominins such as Australopithecus africanus had a protruding jaw owing to the large bones and muscles to support large teeth.